In this video, we are going to see how to create a contract and manage contracts from admin dashboard. For this, we need to log into the admin dashboard as I already have logged in as an admin. Go to contracts. In contracts, we can add a new contract with this button. We need to specify the customer, add a subject for that customer, add the contract value, contract type, then start date, and need to specify the contract end date. We can here add the description and save. After saving, we can add more information and save. After saving the contract will be listed here, and from here we can also view the contract as a customer. So on the customer's end, the customer can download and sign the contract and view the summary of the contract. Also, he can add a comment to the contract. While signing in, you can specify the first name, last name, email, and sign, and click on sign. You can cancel also. After signing, the status will be marked as signed. Also, we can edit the contract. From here, we can add more information like content. We can add the content. We can add or upload the files like images, PDF files supporting that contract. We can also add the comment if the contract is already has been completed or the time has been completed, then we can renew the contract. From task, we can create contract task that is for the staff members. Here we can also add the notes to the staff members and admin about the contract. We can also create a template for that contract and apply that. For more options, we can view the contract, mark as signed, copy and delete. Also, we can view as PDF, download and print. We can also send to email. So this is how the contracts work.